Hi dear students, how are you all of you? Dear students, you all are very warmly welcome on our YouTube channel. Dear student, this is our first lesson, standard 7th. The name of the lesson is How Seasons Occur Part 1. How Seasons Occur Part 1. Dear student, by reading the title of this lesson, you may start to think that seasons we have, every year seasons are coming, and we feel different in different seasons. Yes? See, if there is rainy, of course, rain is there in this rainy season. If there is winter, we feel cold in the winter season, and if there is summer season, we feel hot in summer season. Yes, these are the seasons we have. Now our first is they have given, let's recall. How do day and night occur on the earth? Dear students, what is the answer of this? How there is day and night on the earth? Of course, because of rotation of the earth, the day and night occur. That we have learned in the 5th standard also, 6th standard also. What term is used to describe the earth's revolution around the sun? Dear student, there is a term and they have asked what is the term they have used to describe the earth revolutions around the sun. Yes, that we are going to understand even while learning the lesson. How long does the earth take to do so? See, to complete one revolution around the sun, how much time earth is taking? Dear student, comment the answer in comment box. In which hemisphere is our country located? See, dear students, we have understood northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere, and you have to find out, you have to comment me an answer in which hemisphere our India is located. Why don't the sun rays fall perpendicular at all the places on the earth? Yes, the answer, see the question they have given, why don't the sun rays fall perpendicular at all the places of the earth? Because of dear, our earth shape is spherical, so that it is happen. Now, can you tell, they have given it here, can you tell? Okay. Note the timing of the sunrise and sunset in your area for the following period by direct observation or using calendars, newspaper or the internet. One task they have given. What we are going to do? We are going to note down sunrise timing and sunset timing in our area. Yes, and the period they have given, following period. What is the period? We will understand the date. See, from where we will get this information? We can get this information using calendars, newspaper, internet. Yes, by these sources we can find out the sunrise timing and sunset time. A specimen table has been given below. One table they have given here, and we are going to fill out this table. Record the entries for the month of June and the answers to the following questions and discuss them. And for the month of June, they have given the table, and we are going to fill there the time of sunrise and time of sunset. Yes. Now, among the records in the table, which is the longest day? Dear student, this you have textbook, yes or no? So, in your textbook, it will be better for you to do. If you use calendar, there is timing of sunrise, there is timing of sunset, that you are going to fill here. Yes. 19th June they have given, 20th June, 21 June, 22nd June, 23 June, 24th, 25th, 6th, 7, 8. These are the dates they have given, and we are going to write the timing of sunrise and timing of sunset. Yes. Now guess the reason behind it. See, here we are going to find out the differences between the timings, and we have to guess why does it happen. Now we will come here. How did you find out the duration of the night? That also we are going to write. How we got the answer. How we can find out the duration of night. Which two dates had days and night of the same duration? And we are going to find out two dates that where days and night time was the same duration. Yes, that also we are going to find out. With the help of the table, you saw how the duration of the day and night changes. See, once you will fill out this table 19th June, 20 June, 21, 22nd, so you will understand that how does it get the changes. Use the following format to record the duration of daytime from the 19th June to 20th of every month from September to December. And even by using the same format, we are going to have the dates, the timing of sunrise and sunset from 19th to 28th every month. Okay, from September to December, we are going to do it. Is that clear, everyone? If you are not getting, please comment me. I can explain it for you again and again. Yes. Now the next is given geographical explanation. Here, dear student, you can see it, geographical explanation. You must have noticed the change in the duration of daytime and the night time from the 19th to 20th June. See, 19th to 20th June, the observation is given here that daytime and night time, okay, it is changed. Yes, it takes 24 hours for the earth to rotate around itself. How much, how many hours the earth take to complete one round to itself, one rotation? 24 hours. It rotates from west to east. That, dear student, we have learned in the previous classes also. Earth rotate around itself from which side to which side? West side to east side. The Earth's duration has enabled us to measure time in terms of day. This is the Earth rotation. Enable it is able to make us measure of time. During a single day, we experience different stages like sunrise. See, when there is day, first sunrise is there in a day, midday is there, sunset is there, as well as daytime and night time is there. In a 24 hours, we feel these changes. Yes, why these changes do we feel? Because of the rotation of the earth. To understand the changes in the location of sunrise and sunset on the horizon, let us carry out the activity given on the next page. Dear student, for better understanding, for more understanding, what we are going to understand by this activity, changes in the location of sunrise and sunset. It is given on the next page. We'll continue with the next page. See, try this. They have given figure 1.1 experiment of the shadow. See, dear student, if you go on YouTube, if you go on Google, you will get different kinds of such kinds of experiments. But I will explain it better to you. You will understand in easy language. Yes. What is the See experiment they have given figure 1.1. Paste a large white paper on one side of the table. See here you can see the large paper. I will show you white paper at one side of the table. Place a torch in front of the table in such a way that it wouldn't move. See, One torch also we have to fix there that it would not move. Stand a rod or a candle between the white paper and the torch. See here, you can observe figure. Rod or candle we have to place there. That is also given here. Direct the light beam of the torch in such a way that the shadow of the rod candle falls on the paper. Dear student, here you can see, I will show you. Here you can see the shadow of candle on the paper. Make the position of shadow on the paper, and we are going to mark on the paper where that shadow was. Move the table along with the rod candle from one side to the other slowly. And torch we have to keep it at one place, and the where other table is there with the card sheet paper, white paper, that table we have to move. How we will move this, no, the rod's shadow, it will get change on the paper, and these changes we are going to mark on the paper. Observe and mark the position of the shadow and falls on the paper. Note the changes in the location of the shadow, and we are going to notice out these things. Clear everyone? Now geographical explanation is given. From this activity, you will realize that as the position of the table changes, the position of shadow also changes. Yes, dear student, exact we are going to understand the same. The torch, it means the sun, and the paper table, it means the earth. Earth is moving around the sun, and the shadow of the things, it get the different. That is the common understanding. If the position of the sunrise and the sunset on the horizon are observed for the whole year, you will realize that they keep on changing. If you observe really, yes, this the sunrise and sunset, you will get the changes in a day by day. They, okay, every day there is a changes. Let us try to understand the reason behind this with the help of the next activity. And how, why is it so, that we are going to understand by the next activity. Let's see what is the next activity. Yes, figure 1.2 experiment is given. Keeping some distance, fix the stick near a wall. Keeping some distance, what we are going to fix? Stick where? Near the wall. Here you can see on in the picture. Where we have to fix it? Where it receives the sunlight. Yes. Remember that the stick has to be fixed at this spot for a period of about 1 year, and this rod or stick we have to keep it for a year. After the observation, mark the position of the shadow for that date, and date by date we are going to observe. We are going to observe today at what, where is the shadow at the 9 o'clock. Tomorrow you will also observe at the same. Day after tomorrow, like that you are going to observe it. If the position of shadow changes, measures and note the distance between the earlier and the changed position, and we are going to see, we are going to understand the differences of the shadow, position of the shadow, how does it get the change. Yes, during the period of this activity, observe the places of sunrise and the sunset on the horizon as well, and we are going to understand the sunrise and sunset. Yes. Now next is given. Study the duration of daytime and night time on the basis of observation. Yes. What was the direction of the shadow of the stick in the month of September? See, now here they have mentioned month also. The position of the shadow in month of September. See, and on which day was the duration of the day and the night the same. That also we are going to see. That also we are going to observe. Now the last one is remain. Think about it. If the position of the shadow on the all moves towards the north, in which direction does the location of sunrise or sunset appear to shift? Yes, dear student, you are going to think about it. See, you have to, if you like it, please like this video, share it, and please subscribe it. Thank you.